Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little Child Restraints. I'm down at Hilltop, and we're going to be working on today. We're going to work on a Mitsubishi Fusso. Now, this is becoming a trend with a lot of the tradies because it's a 4.5 ton truck, and you can turn it to a 6.5. Thing is, if you leave it as a 4.5 ton, what you'll end up doing is keeping it under a normal license as you drive it. Now, what I've got to do, now I've done some work for them before for a big truck. We've got to put some anchorage points in it. So the only thing to put the anchor points in this thing is that it's going to be a bar in it. So we're going to put in an extended bar. That extended bar means it's going to require an engineer's report. But here's the thing. I'm not the tallest bloke, but check this here. I've got to get up into this thing here, right? Now this is the challenge now. I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm going to try and get myself up in here. That's it. So I'm up in here, climbing up, so I don't want to slip over. So this is what we've got inside the truck. Fantastic. I mean, look at this. It's brand new, okay? Now, what we're going to do here, so you can see behind the seat here, there's just enough room to put the bar in here. So I'm going to put a bar here, and it's going to give him four anchorage points. And you can see it is a 7-seater. There's 4 seats across the back here. So I'm going to get stuck into it because I've got to pull this whole seat out and whatnot. But I'll show you once I finish what it's going to look like. But yeah, once again, crab bar. It's a long extended crab bar. It does require an engineer's report. Anyway, we'll catch you in a moment. Okay, we finally got it done. And so have a look at this. So you can see now we've got the crab bar starting from here all the way along, giving us 4 points right along. So that's it. I'll give you a snapshot of that. Go around through there. So all I gotta do is put the seats back. They fit perfectly. I'm ready how to go at it. And beautiful. Now they've got 4 points. It does require an engineer's report. Hey, mate, got a truck this size. You wanna make sure you get it right. I'm Sam, and we'll catch you on the next video.